started making peach bread. I had received so many bags of peaches from a food drive that I went to, and I have a video on that. So I decided today is to make some peach bread with the ingredients. So what I have already in my bowl, as you can see, I have flour, baking powder, baking soda, flour, sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, melted butter. I'm trying to think, is anything else in here? Cinnamon, vanilla extract. And before I mix all those ingredients together, I cut up the peaches and I cooked them on the stove for probably about 15 minutes to soften them up. And I put a little sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and butter. And then I just put those peaches in the batter also. And what you're going to do, you're going to put your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to probably cook it for probably about, I'm going to cook it first for about 35 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes. And then I'm going to go back and see if it's done. If not, I'll leave it in a little longer. So I've already greased my pan. So let's get started. My little spatula. Get started putting the batter into the pan. I already mixed it up very well. And I did leave the ingredients, the recipe, in the description box. So I wish I can bring this down a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's see. I don't know if this will work. I'm trying to bring it down so you guys can see. But anyway, I'm pouring this into, hold on for a second. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to get another tripod so you guys can see what I'm doing. So now I'm going to put the batter into the pan. And I like using the spatulas because spatulas get it all out for you. Make sure I get every bit of that batter out. And then once it's all done, I would like to do a taste test so you guys can see what it's all about. Come on now, I don't know what's going on with this thing. So let me bring you closer so you guys can see. That's the batter. Now I'm about to put it into the oven. Alright. Alright, I got into the oven, so I'm just going to wait for that to finish baking. And while I'm waiting for that to bake, I'm going to go ahead and wash the dishes and come back when it's finished, and I'm going to do a taste test. Okay guys, it's been in there about 46 minutes, so I'm going to check on it and see if it's ready. Looks like it's done, but let me stick this fork in here and see. It's done. I think it's done. I think it's done. I think it's done, but I'm going to put it in there for a couple of more minutes. Probably about 5 more minutes. And I'll be back when I take it out. Okay, I'm about to take it out. It's 5 more minutes. So I had it in there about 50 minutes. Turn off this oven. Let me bring you guys a little closer so you guys can see. Here's, put some light on. Here's the peach bread. And I'm going to cut a piece. Let's see. So you guys can see the inside of it. Alright, let's cut a piece so you guys can see the inside. It's probably going to be too hot to do a taste test right now, but I want you guys to see the middle. Oh, yes, it's hot, 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 hot. Whew. You guys, this is how it look. You can see the steam coming out of it, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do a taste test right now. I might just blow it. But do you guys see the peaches and peaches right here? Peaches there. Okay, this is how it look. So let's see if I can cut a piece. It's a little hot though to be doing a taste test, but and I want to have to come back, so I'm just gonna blow it. Here it is, guys. See, this is how I look. Let me bring the camera up a little bit. Okay. Ooh. Whoo! Just burnt my hand. I'm getting a piece of this peach on it. Here it is. Let's blow it. Let's try it. I can taste the cinnamon. To me, it needs a little bit more sugar, but I'm thinking cake, but it's supposed to be bread, so I guess it's sweet enough for bread. But if you want the cake taste, probably a little bit more sugar. I added 1 cup of sugar in here. No, 1 1/3 cup of sugar, I believe. Let's try it again. Yeah. If you want it to taste like cake, a little bit more sugar. But it's not bad. It's really not bad. Anyway, guys, you be blessed. And I'll see you next video.